Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cornbread using Jiffy mix. First, gather your ingredients: 1 box of Jiffy corn muffin mix, 1 egg, and 1/3 cup of milk. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick and delicious side dish, bringing a warm, comforting aroma to your kitchen in no time. Let's get baking. Now, let's mix the batter. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the Jiffy corn muffin mix, 1 egg, and 1/3 cup of milk. Stir these ingredients together until they are just moistened. It's important not to overmix, as this can lead to tough cornbread. A few lumps are perfectly fine and will result in a wonderfully tender texture. You're doing great. Next, it's time to bake your cornbread. Pour the prepared batter into a greased 8x8-inch baking pan. Place the pan into your preheated 400-degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for approximately 15 to 20 minutes or until the top is golden brown. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean, almost ready to enjoy. Once your cornbread is baked to perfection, carefully remove it from the oven. Allow it to cool in the pan for about 5 minutes before slicing. This brief cooling period helps it set, making it easier to cut. Serve your warm, golden cornbread alongside your favorite chili, soup, or barbecue. Enjoy this simple, delicious treat you've just created.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.